Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here, and I'm here to tell you 3 reasons why a CPA should be your best friend if you're an entrepreneur. Let's face it, most business owners aren't accountants. They're usually very good at their technological craft. They might be really great at running restaurants or cooking food or selling a specific product or developing a new technological advance. But being so good at your trade or craft also presents its unique challenges when running a business. The interesting thing here is that instead of running to your accountant, some entrepreneurs actually run away from their accountant. As an entrepreneur myself, I know that sometimes we can be so strong-willed in our vision that we don't necessarily want to hear anyone else's advice, or we might be scared about what the accountant has to say. Owning a business is really tough, and sometimes when your accountant comes in with that financial dose of reality, it can be a tough pill to swallow. But the reason I wanted to make this video was to really explain how and why the accountant should be your best friend. The first is because cash is tricky. You see a big bank balance and you wonder if it's yours to spend. Having a great accountant can help you understand what your cash burn is, how much money you need each month to pay for those expenses, and how much of your bank account is truly free and clear for distributions. Regular cash flow reports relieves that anxiety and helps you make those decisions feeling confident and informed. Next is accountability. As entrepreneurs, we have a strong sense of autonomy and conviction. And while this is really great for running a business, an operation, creating a product, it can work against us when it comes to being accountable with our numbers. Accountants will usually offer risk-averse conservative advice that help you really understand the financial realities of your situation as it stands currently. And while this can sometimes clash with the entrepreneur mindset, the dreamer, it's important to have that balance because you see, the accountant's job is literally to account for the cost. An accountant can actually help you determine if that ambitious idea is viable. And you don't need to blindly follow everything your accountant says. I think the part here that I'm trying to emphasize is really to listen, to learn, to understand, but yet ultimately make your final decision on whatever it is at hand. And lastly, taxes. It's literally your accountant's full-time job to think about, talk about, and strategize for taxes. And while most entrepreneurs cringe and run away from this idea, tax savings is the difference between you having more money to invest not only in your business and its idea, but also to potentially grow your net worth. Taxes are complex, they're time-consuming, and nothing stops a business faster than an IRS notice. By confronting your tax situation head-on, being strategic, being proactive, you can not only minimize business interruptions, but set yourself up for some real success. A good accountant not only number crunches, but also gives you viable insight into your actual business. And so that is why every business owner should be using their accountant as their secret weapon, as their best friend. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA and best friend, Tiffany Gonzalez.